If you want to create a table instantly in Figma, go to Figma, Plugins. Select the Table Creator plugin and create a table. Create a new template. Select rows and columns and set the width to 800 pixels. Now select the header and change its color as you like. Select the header text, type the word, for example, column 1, and change the text color from black to white so it's visible. Copy the text and paste it to the other header columns as well. Then just update the text. Add the body text inside the table and boom, your table is ready to use. Follow PX Mentor for more tips.